Alright guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break between box of 2011-2012 Panini Elite that ended last night on eBay. That would be March 25th between 8:15 and 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The last team that it was the Winnipeg Jets, ended at 8:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Current eBay time is, with the drum roll if it reloads. Just going to mention I do have 7 breaks going tonight on eBay. I'm still waiting for the eBay time to reload. There we go. Tuesday, March 26th at 10:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So I am the next morning doing the breaks live on Blog TV for the last time. Then we go to RYDLAR99.tv. And yeah, so let's get going. Serial number down at the bottom, NE 900-45338. I'll show that to you right now. Ending in 338 it was, if I remember right. Sometimes I don't remember right though. You know, NE 900-45338. Nice and clear. You should be able to see it, no problem. Is of course a sealed box of Elite. All by Elite comes from sealed cases. We have had some nasty hits out of Elite. We had a Wah auto, prime numbers auto. We had a sorry, I misplaced my scissors. We had a Nugent Hopkins out of 10. These are all from different cases, so just so you know. Everything's back on the table for this one. And away we go. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we can get something nice. Make some people happy. Just a quick reminder that base cards do not ship out of Elite. Base cards only ship for my breaks out of the 1-pack boxes and Luxury Suite because everything is serialed. Actually, there's no base cards in Luxury Suite, to be honest. But everything is serial numbered, so I don't think there's 1-pack here in the back, but I don't want it to fall, though. Anything else? Nope. Gone. Launch it across the room. And away we go. Good luck to all. Niemi, Gagne, Chara, Decoy, Kyle Wellwood, and Jimmy Howard. Starts it all off. All base. Richards, Gerby. We have rookie stars. Craig Smith for the Nashville Predators. Tyler Rose, Taylor Hall. Here we go. Jaguar, Potter, we have Elite Aspirations for the Edmonton Oilers. Nikolai Habibulin. Habibulin for the Oilers. Get it from up. There we go. Desharnais and Volkun. Weiss, Lidstrom. We have a rookie out of 9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Non-auto variation. Joe Vitale. What is numbered out of 9.99 on the back? 878 out of 9.99. Bissonnette and Shattenkirk. Quick, Spezza, Conklin, Decoy, Dubnik, and Grease. Thomas Grease. Setaguchi, Vanek, Lucic. Oh, there's something low numbered. There we go. Elite Materials with an auto for the Ottawa Senators. Craig Anderson. Show off the autograph a bit there. Focus kick in would be great. Elite Materials, Craig Anderson with an auto. Koivu and Lupul. That is numbered out 25 on the back, just so you know. Halak, Elliott. We have 2 hits in this one. We have for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Tim Connolly, Elite Aspirations. And for the Ottawa Senators, oh, sorry, card stuck to it on the front. A new breed of Colin Greening. No number. Malgin and Ovechkin. So far, not a bad box of Elite. Carter, Kopitar, Luongo, Decoy, John Michael Lyles, and Cam Ward. Havlat, Doughty. We have Elite Series for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Sidney Crosby. Scott Hartnell, and Mike Ribeiro. Jovanovski, Molson, Elite Aspirations for the Minnesota Wild of Josh Harding, Joe Pavelski, and Chris Neal. Oh, that's some good glare going. I don't know why my pot lights started acting up all of a sudden. There we go. Let's try to bring that in a little bit. Bufflin, Parise, we have Elite Stars for the Montreal Canadiens. Carey Price. Carey Price. Carey Price, Carey Price, Carey Price. I don't know why I just glitched up there, but Carey Price. Ryan Miller and Marc-Andre Fleury. Just a reminder again, RYDLAR99 TV starts tomorrow. RYDLAR99.tv. Oh, we got something numbered in here. Surrey, Taze, we have for the Anaheim Ducks. Elite Status. Ryan Getzlaf for the Anaheim Ducks. It's the gold parallel out of 99, number 43 out of 99. Decoy, Zetterberg, and Solani. Hedman, Giordano, we have a rookie non-auto variation for the LA Kings. I believe Voinov out of 999. Just got to firm up. Yep, Voinov. Number 179 out of 999 on the back. Aaron Johnson and Ryan Wilson. Well, that's a thick one. We'll leave that one to the end. Tutu, Giroux, we have Elite Aspirations for the Dallas Stars. Mike Ribeiro. Michael Ryder and James Reimer. For the San Jose Sharks, Grease, Koivu, and what do we have here? Elite Signings for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Jonas Gustafsson. A bad pickup for the Leafs. No numbering. Burrows and Kessel. This is a little thicker too. At least the decoy though. Yep. Ladd, LeCavalier, Jokinen, Decoy, Erickson, Kane. Verbata, Schneider, Mason, Pietrangelo, Kane. Simmons, Whitney. We have for the San Jose Sharks, red parallel of Thomas Greiss. Greiss. Aspirations. Nerveth and James Neal. Wisniewski, Harding. We have Elite Series for the Vancouver Canucks. Mark Messier. Canucks. Burmistrov and Rene. Now to that pack I said it was a thick pack. It does feel a little thicker than normal. I'm not answering that phone in the middle of the break, don't worry. Not too bad. Eric Stahl, Tyler Myers, Andre Pavlik. Prime numbers for the LA Kings. Sorry about that, guys. Ansi Kopitar. That is number 184 out of 358. So this one's actually out of 300 then. Aaron Johnson and Ryan Wilson. So that's it for the box of Elite. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break. Remember, I have 6 more boxes going tonight on eBay if you want to take part. And yeah, I have Dominion and the Cup cases on Saturday. If anybody wants to get in, let me know. You can pre-select your teams. Have a good one, everybody.